Hi friends, in this video I am going to show all that you wanted to know about a convection microwave oven. I have posted lot of videos of making recipes in the microwave, but till date I haven't uploaded any demo kind of video. I have already made demo videos of dishwasher, washing machine and induction cooktop. In a similar way, I wanted to make a demo kind of video for how to use a convection microwave oven, because it's got various modes of cooking like grill, microwave, convection. There's combination modes, so there's a lot to learn in that. Like there are features, its functions and working. So I'm going to clear all your doubts in this video of mine. So this is the LG microwave convection grill model which I have. The model number is MC2841 and it's more than 5 years old. Now let me explain what are microwaves. Microwaves are waves of energy, not heat. They are similar to radio and television waves and daylight. Normally these waves scatter in the atmosphere in all directions without effect. But inside a microwave oven, this microwave energy is used for cooking. The heart of the microwave oven is a magnetron which produces microwave energy. These microwaves enter the cooking area through openings inside the oven. These microwaves, they don't penetrate into the metal parts. Just like when you play carom board, you have a striker, you hit the coin and it just rebounds, goes. Similarly, the microwaves also go back and forth like this, and so they don't enter the metal parts. So they will enter material like glass, paper, porcelain, and such are the materials with which the microwave safe containers are made. And some plastic, good quality plastic, microwave penetrates through that, so plastic is also used. So I've told about what is microwaves. How does this microwave or this microwave energy help in cooking? So when these microwave energies, they directly penetrate into the food particles and causes friction by which they get heated up. And the next important part is the round glass tray or the turntable. This is important because, as I told, the microwaves don't penetrate through metal. They just scatter here and there randomly. So if you keep a stationary dish of food which is to be cooked, supposing I've got this, throughout the demo I'm going to use this. I can't run the microwave oven empty, so I'll be using this to explain everything. So supposing I keep this stationary and I switch it on, imagine there's no turntable here, then all the microwave energy won't be coming into contact with the food particles inside this dish. So the cooking will be uneven. So to get even cooking, this has to go around, it has to move around throughout so that all the microwave energy comes into contact with the food particles and the food is evenly cooked. And that is the reason you have this glass table, because it is microwaves penetrate through this, and it's a quite thick, strong, round glass tray, and there is a ring supporting that on which it is kept, and there are wheels, so that's how it moves. There's a motor for that. So this is compulsory, this has to be there. Anything and everything you keep inside the microwave oven should be kept over this only, whether you just spread it out or you use a dish. Now the second mode is grill mode. It uses heating element, and heating element is usually kept on the top. It could be exposed outside or concealed like it is here. Here you can't see it, only the holes are seen. So it is not it doesn't use microwave energy. It is just heat energy, heat radiation. By heat energy the food gets roasted or browned. So it's basically used for browning or roasting, not cooking here. For grilling there are two essentials, that is, these are the metal racks. This is called the low rack because it is shorter, it fits like this, and this is the high rack, it is taller, so you can place it like this. So when you do the grilling, So you keep the food to be grilled on top of this, either on this or on this. If there are things like some vegetables or papad, something has to be roasted, you can keep directly on this. It will get roasted when you select the grill option. And or else you take a dish like this, you keep your vegetables or your nuts. I've shown a lot of roasting of nuts and then spices to be roasted using this grill mode. So this is about the grill. Now I'll come to the third mode of cooking, and that is the convection mode. Convection is just an extension of grill mode, because in a grill mode what happens is the heating element becomes hot, and whatever is close to the heating element, that is if you keep a high rack, food which is in close proximity to the heating element gets heated up, that is browned and roasted and all. Whereas convection is nothing but cooking at a certain temperature for a certain period of time, depending on what you're going to do. That is, it's mainly for baking actually. So baking of bread, pastries, biscuits or cakes or vegetables, baked vegetables, baked snacks as well. So depending on what you're going to bake, you will have to set a temperature and a time for that. And for that you need uniform heating, and that uniform heating is provided by a fan which is kept behind. So the grill also is required, and there's a fan which spreads the heat evenly into the chambers for the baking to be facilitated. And that is what is required for baking. And for baking you can use the racks, high rack and low rack, and you can use it simultaneously, and it will be evenly baked, whether it is on the lower rack or higher rack, because here, because of the fan, the chamber is hot equally. The temperature is maintained throughout the chambers, so there will be even baking. Only the browning will take part only in the top portion, so that you can, if you want additional browning, you can always use the grill to do browning later on. Just I want to tell one thing: convection and the grill mode, there is no microwave energy at all, just heat energy.